We live in a culture where we celebrate a lot of youth, but we have but I think people have a lot to give, and even more so as they get older. And I think that the platform and the network that Neil and team are building is going to be really, really amazing. And this is both a very good business, but also works on some societal issues. And so for me, it's not just an investment in something that I think is positive, which I think is great. We have other companies that look at that, but if it wasn't a fantastic business, like we would volunteer time, we wouldn't make investments in it. And so I think for us, I think networks are incredibly valuable and important. And this is a network that hasn't really gotten a ton of attention. And it has, at least 50% of the buying power of people in the United States. And so it is an amazing cohort of individuals that still have a lot to offer and are important contributors to society. So